Hello friends, in this video we will be talking about different ways of saying well done in Kashmiri. The first type is the general situation where you say well done to anyone in front of you. In that situation we would say shabash, shabash. Now if you are saying well done to a person who you know and who is elder to you, you would say Shabash Sandeep ji. Shabash Sandeep ji. If an elder person is congratulating, saying well done to Sandeep and also giving blessings, they would say Shabash Sandeep ji, Bhagwan करने रुत. शाबाश संदीप जी, भगवान करने रुत. Remember, not everybody will use Bhagwan. Some people might also say Dai karne rut or Khodai karne rut. It all depends upon the religion of the person who is wishing you well done. That was it in today's lesson. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.